Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear friends, today we are learning a dua of funeral prayer for female child. So this dua is similar that we already learned for the male child. So little bit different, but you will understand easily. So first of all, when we are going to pray the funeral salah, so the imams start with the first takbir, Allahu Akbar. So we read Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika wa tabaraka asmuka wa ta'ala jadduka wa jalla sanauka wa la ilaha ghayruk. After that, Imam say Allahu Akbar again, second time. So then we read Darood Ibrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Then Imam say third time Allahu Akbar. So we are just to start reading this dua because before us who is the person? The female child. So this way funeral prayer for the female child we are learning now. So we have to read that. So Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Allahumma aj'al halana faratan waj'al halana ajran wa zukhran waj'al halana shafi'atan wa mushaffa'a. Allahumma aj'al halana faratan waj'al halana ajran wa zukhran waj'al halana shafi'atan wa mushaffa'a. So we translate now. Allahumma, O Allah, Allahumma aj'al halana, O Allah, make her lana for us faratan, to organize the arrangement. Allahumma aj'al halana faratan, O Allah, make her to organize the arrangements for us. Arrangement for the time when we will go, we will die. After that, she may be in a position to receive us. Or she may have for us special help from Allah. So this way, Allahumma aj'al halana faratam. O Allah, make her to organize the arrangement for us. Waj'al halana, and make her ajran. Ajr mean the reward. Waj'al halana ajran, and O Allah, make her for us reward. Wa zukhran. Zukhran mean and timely helpful person, and make her for us the timely helpful person. Waj'al halana, and make her for us shafi'atan, an intercessor. Wa mushaffa'a, whose intercession is accepted by you. So I read one time more. Allahumma aj'al halana faratan waj'al halana ajran wa zukhran waj'al halana shafi'atan wa mushaffa'a. O Allah, make her to organize the arrangements for us, and make her our reward and our timely helpful person, and make her an intercessor for us, whose intercession is accepted by you. So we have to read this dua when Imam say third takbir, Allahu Akbar. So when Imam say fourth takbir, so Salatul Janaza or funeral prayer will finish and we say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So inshallah try to learn it and also help your children to learn this one and your friends also, so that they should know completely Salatul Janaza, the funeral prayer, so they can perform beautifully, so that they can get the reward and also paradise with Allah's blessings. Allah gave us tawfiq. Ameen.